Welcome everybody. Today I am going to discuss about the Electricity Act 2003. Purpose of the Electricity Act 2003. Number 1. To consolidate the laws relating to generation, transmission, distribution, trading and use of electricity. Second, to promote competition in the sector. Third, to protect the interest of consumers. Fourth, to rationalize the electricity tariffs. Fifth, to establish regulatory commissions and appeal tribunal for electricity. Sixth, to ensure supply of electricity to all areas. Seventh, to rationalize tariff and lowering the gross subsidization levels. Salient features of the Electricity Act 2003. Role of the government: rural electrification, generation, transmission, distribution, consumer protection, trading or market development, tariff principles, measures against the theft of electricity, restructuring of ACBs. Government: Central government to prepare National Electricity Policy. Section 3. Central government to notify a national policy for rural areas, permitting a stand-alone system based on renewable and non-conventional energy sources in consultation with states. Section 4. Central government to formulate a national policy in consultation with the concerned states for bulk purchase of power and management of local distribution through users association, cooperatives, franchise, panchayat institution, etc. Section 5. Rural electrification. Appropriate government to intervene to extend supply of electricity to all villages. No requirement of license if a person intends to generate and distribute power in rural areas. Generation. Generation free from licensing. Requirement of TEC for non-hydro generation done any with. Section 7. Captive generation is free from controls. Open access to captive generation plants subject to availability of transmission facility. Section 9. Clearance of CEA for hydro projects required. Necessary due to concerned dam safety and interstate issue. Generation from non-conventional sources. Co-generation to be permitted. Minimum percentage of purchase of power from renewable may be prescribed by Regulatory Commission. Section 61H 861 of E. Transmission. There would be transmission utility at the center in the states to undertake planning and development of transmission system. Transmission companies to be licensed by the appropriate commission after giving due consideration to the views of the transmission utility. The load dispatch center transmission utility transmission license not to be traded in power facilitating genuine competition between generators. Open access to the transmission lines to be provided to distribution license generating companies. This should generate competitive pressures and lead to gradual cost reduction. Distribution to be licensed by ACRCS. Distribution license free to take up generation and generation company free to take up distribution license. This would facilitate private sector participation without government guarantee escrow. Retail tariff to be determined by the regulatory commissions. Metering made mandatory. Provision for suspension or revocation of license by regulatory commission as it is an essential service which cannot be allowed to collapse. Open access in distribution to be allowed by SCRAC in phases. In addition to the wheeling charges, provision for surcharges if open access is allowed before elimination of cross subsidies to take care of current level of cross subsidy. Trading or market development. Trading distinct activity permitted with licensing. Section 12. Regulatory Commission may fix selling on trading margin to avoid artificial price volatility. The consumer protection. Consumer to be given connection within a stipulated time. Penalty in the event of failure to give connection. payment of interest on security deposit, regulatory commission to specify electricity supply code to be followed by licenses, no sum due from consumers recoverable after a period of 2 years unless the same was shown recoverable continuously. Central Electricity Authority (CEA) to continue as the main technical advisor of the Government of India or state government with the responsibility of overall planning. CEA to specify the technical standards for electrical plants and electrical lines. CEA to technical advisor to CERC as well as SERCS. CEA to specify the safety standards. Measures against the theft of electricity focus on revenue realization rather than criminal proceedings. Penalties linked to the connected load and quantum of energy and financial gain involved in the theft. Provisions for compounding of offences. Assessment of electricity charge for unauthorized use of electricity by assessing officer designated by the state government. Theft punishable with imprisonment. Punishable provision for abatement of theft. Special courts.